Okay, world, I'm gonna give this a shot. This is a couple of one bad capacitor for sure. This is a turbo air unit out of a turbo air back bar refrigerator, 3-door back bar refrigerator, and this is what I'm guessing being a plastic case. It's a start capacitor. And this one I would guess is the run capacitor, being it's a metal case. This unit's made in Korea, so all these capacitors are funky, and the start components. Compressor's a Samsung, so yeah, it's a world of pain in the rear. So anyways, but this is a 125 microfarad capacitor. First thing that keyed me out to be that this whole thing was bad is they put all this package in, they put them in kind of a little plastic like shrink wrap thing when the guys build the unit and everything, and kind of put them together like this. But this creamy stuff is all kind of like Vaseline. That's the first thing that keyed me out, man. Whenever I see that, you know, that's basically leaking capacitor as far as I'm concerned. So that keyed me up that, you know, these needed replaced. But so I was just going through, and compressor wouldn't start, so went through and I got all new start components from the factory put in. They gave me a new start cap, run cap, overload, and start relay, and they threw in a new compressor just for the hell of it. So got it covered under the 5-year warranty. The unit's only 2 years old. TBB4-SG turbo air unit. Anyways, found this. I hope you can see it on the video, man. It's a crack, major crack in the bottom of the start capacitor, and basically it symptomed out like it was compressor, and doesn't start, the compressor's toast, you know. Condenser was, you know, hadn't been cleaned in a couple of years. So anyways, brand new unit, only 2 years old. So anyways, the heat just took out the start capacitor, which was real cool. So I just put all new start components on it, and away she goes. So factory turbo air warranted them, which was really cool of them, you know. So they covered them under the 5-year compressor warranty. So hope you can see the crack. This compressor's not, this camera's not so good on close-ups, but I'm holding it still that hopefully it shows up. I can't see it on the screen, so, but hopefully when it gets on the big screen when we upload, and it'll be good, you know. So but anyhow, leaky Vaseline stuff, crack on the bottom of this capacitor. So 125 microfarad. Thing is it still tested out good. I used my meter on it, and well, kind of good. 149 it tested out as, but it has a 20% margin, it says on this capacitor. So 20%, 10% of 125 is 12.5, so that's 24. So you could be plus or minus 24, they're saying. So it was on the high end. It was testing out at 149, 150. So it tested out still good. So just a, you know, word to the, you know, to you guys out there, if you meter them out and they test out, it doesn't still mean that they're any good, you know, especially if they got a crack or they're leaking. So if you got any doubts, you know, always use new start components first, you know, before you change a compressor. So just wanted to let you guys know that this start capacitor tests out good, but you can physically see a crack. So either or, you know, anyways, so just thought I'd pass that along to you guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Bye. Hopefully still see the crack.